Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for intermediate learners of English. Today I am going to start unit number 17 and teach you about have and have got. They have a new car or they have got a new car. We have or we have got a nice room in the hotel. So you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 17, Have and Have Got. Section A, Have and Have Got. Have and have got are used for possession, relationships, illness, appointments, etc. You can use have or have got. There is no difference in meaning. You can say they have a new car or they have got a new car. Lisa has two brothers or Lisa has got two brothers. I have a headache or I have got a headache. Our house has a small garden or our house has got a small garden. He has a few problems or he has got a few problems. I have a driving lesson tomorrow or I have got a driving lesson tomorrow. With these meanings, possessions, etc., we do not use continuous forms. That is, I am having, etc. We are enjoying our holiday. We have a nice room in the hotel. Or we have got a nice room in the hotel. Not we are having a nice room. It is wrong. For the past, we use had, usually without got. Lisa had long hair when she was a child. Not Lisa had got. Section B. In questions and negative sentences, there are three possible forms. Do you have any questions? I don't have any questions. Or have you got any questions? I haven't got any questions. Or have you any questions? It is less usual. I haven't any questions. It is less usual. Does she have a car? She doesn't have a car. Or has she got a car? She hasn't got a car. Or has she a car? It is less usual. She hasn't a car. It is less usual. In past questions and negative sentences, we use did, didn't. Did you have a car when you were living in Paris? I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't call you. Lisa had long hair, didn't she? Section C. Have breakfast, have a shower, have a good time, etc. We also use have but not have got for things we do or experience. For example, have breakfast, have dinner, have a cup of coffee, have something to eat, etc. Have a bath, have a shower, have a swim, have a break, have a rest, have a party, have a holiday, have an accident, have an experience, have a dream, have a look at something, have a chat, have a discussion, have a conversation with somebody, have trouble, have difficulty, have fun, have a good time, etc. Have a baby. It means give birth to a baby. Have got is not possible in these expressions. Compare. Sometimes I have a sandwich for my lunch, or sometimes I eat a sandwich for my lunch. It is the same thing, not I have got. But I have got some sandwiches. Would you like one? Or I have some sandwiches. Would you like some? You can use continuous forms, I am having, etc. with these expressions. We are enjoying our holiday. We are having a great time. Where is Mark? He is having a shower. In questions and negative sentences, we use do, does, did. I don't usually have a big breakfast. Not I usually haven't. It's wrong. Where does Chris usually have lunch? Did you have trouble finding somewhere to stay? Not had you. Now it's time for exercises. 17.1. Which goes with which? Number 1. I am not free tomorrow morning. D. I got a driving lesson. Number 2. Rachel is an only child. H. She has got no brothers or sisters. Number 3. We have got plenty of time. C. There is no need to hurry. Number 4. You have got a really good voice. G. I wish I could sing as well as you. Number 5. I don't feel very well this morning. B. I have got a sore throat. Number 6. Laura studied at university. A. She has got a degree in physics. 7. I have got a question. E. Maybe you can answer it. Number 8. James has got a lot of experience. F. I think he should get the job. 17.2. Complete the sentences using have. Number 1. She couldn't get into the house. She did not have a key. Number 2. Is there anything you would like to ask? Do you have any questions? Number 3. They can't pay their bills. They don't have any money. Number 4. We got wet in the rain yesterday. We did not have an umbrella. Number 5. Jack doesn't have a car. He can't afford one and he can't drive anyway. Number 6. Excuse me, do you have a pen I could borrow? Yes, sure. Here you are. Number 7. I was very busy yesterday. I did not have time to go shopping. Number 8. Tell me about Jack. Does he have a job? Number 9. When you worked in your last job, did you have your own office? Number 10. Where is the remote control? I don't know. I don't have it. Number 11. Tom had a motorbike, didn't he? Yes, that's right. A long time ago. 17.3. Are the underlined words okay? Change them where necessary. Number 1. I am not free tomorrow morning. I have got a driving lesson. It's okay. Number 2. Lisa had got long hair when she was a child. It's wrong. Lisa had long hair when she was a child. It's okay. Number 3. I couldn't contact you because I hadn't my phone. It's wrong. I couldn't contact you because I did not have my phone. It's okay. Number 4. Are you feeling okay? No, I am having a cold. It's wrong. Are you feeling okay? No, I have a cold. It's okay. Number 5. I am not working right now. I am having a break. It's okay. Number 6. I felt really tired. I hadn't any energy. It's wrong. I felt really tired. I did not have any energy. It's okay. Number 7. It's a small town. It doesn't have many shops. It's okay. Number 8. Was your tip okay? Had you any problems? It's wrong. Was your tip okay? Did you have any problems? It's okay. Number 9. My friend called me when I was having breakfast. It's okay. Number 10. The last time I saw Steve, he was having a beard. It's wrong. The last time I saw Steve, he had a beard. It's okay. Number 11. We don't need to hurry. We have plenty of time. It's okay. Number 12. How often have you a shower? It's wrong. How often do you have a shower? It's okay. 17.4. Complete the sentences. Use an expression with have in the correct form. Choose from have a baby, have a look, have a break, have lunch, have a chat, have a party, have trouble, have a nice time, have a shower, have a holiday. Number 1. I don't eat much during the day. I never have lunch. Number 2. David starts work at 8 o'clock and has a break at 10:30. Number 3. We had a party last week. We invited lots of people. Number 4. There is something wrong with my bike. Can you have a look at it for me? Number 5. Joe is away on holiday at the moment. I hope he is having a nice time. Number 6. I met some friends in the supermarket yesterday. We stopped and had a chat. Number 7. Did you have trouble finding the book you wanted? No, I found it okay. Number 8. Suzanne had a baby a few weeks ago. It's her second child. Number 9. I was having a shower when the light went out suddenly. Number 10. I would like to go away somewhere. I did not have a holiday for a long time. Or I would like to go away somewhere. I haven't had a holiday for a long time. Now This is the end of unit number 17. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 18. Till then, bye bye.